Hello, doctor.
Hi, what happened?
I have cold.
Let me check your eyes. Now let me check your tongue. This is viral fever. I'm prescribing you some medicines.
Okay. Will I be okay, doctor?
Yes. Here is your prescription.
Thank you. Hi, Akansha.
Hi, Hiral.
Why are you absent last day? I have got viral fever.
Oh, have you seen the doctor?
Yes.
Which doctor?
Ayansh Kumar.
He's my batchmate. How was he?
He was a nice doctor.
Is the medicine working for you?
The medicines are working.
Oh, great.
What happened to the last class?
Last day we were doing public speaking skill workshop.
Oh, thank you.